Assalamu alaikum. Alright, guys, we have discussed about the sourcing and selection criteria of suppliers. Now it's the turn, and also we have got some of the quotations from the supplier and FF. So now it's the turn to understand a little bit about the Amazon fees, and after that we will jump toward the budget sheet so that we can understand that how much budget is required for our PL launch and in how many months, after how much inventory, and after spending how much, we will convert our product launch into profits. So before going toward that budget sheet, let's discuss about the fees of Amazon a little bit. So there are two kind of fees of Amazon. One is referral fees and the other one is FBA fees. So what's basically referral fees? It's a 15% commission that Amazon charge on sale price of each unit sold. Alright, guys. So Amazon will charge 15% on your price, whatever price you have mentioned there and fixed there in your seller central for that specific product. So Amazon will be charging 15% on that. And the same, there are FBA fees if you are opting for FBA services of Amazon. So Amazon will be charging FBA fees as well. So these FBA fees Amazon charge only in case when you use FBA services. If you are working on FBA model, so these fees, the seller who is working on FBA model is exempt from these fees. So let's see in the seller central where we can see these fees. Here we are in the seller central, and as you come into the manage inventory section, you can see here the products listed here. I have listed some dummy products for you all. So here you can see estimated fee per sold. You can see here. So let's check it. Let me click here in the drop down, and you can see here there are two fees, referral fee and FBA fees. All right. So Amazon is charging 15% on my price, right? Whatever price I have selected, it's 7.99. So Amazon is charging 15% of 7.99, which is becoming 0.65. And FBA fees, so Amazon is charging 2.21 FBA fees on each of my products sold. Here you can see estimated net proceeds per unit sold. So these are the fees that Amazon charge per unit. Alright, so we need to understand this as well, that whatever we sell, we will be charged this amount as well. So we need to calculate these amounts.